Connectionless client server interaction with datagrams. Datagram socket method receives waits for a packet to arrive at the server and backs until a packets arrive, then stores the packet in its datagram argument. The method throws an input output exception if an error occurs while the packet or the datagram packet method gets address returns an inet address object containing the internet internet private address of the computer from which the packet was sent. The method get port returns an integer specifying the port number through which the client computer sent the packet. Basically, it's telling that whenever a user is sending any is requesting or sending any information through packets, it is been identified through the number identified through the number called as port number. Method get length returns an integer representing the number of bytes of data received. Method get data returns a byte array containing the data in datagram socket. Method sends through an input output exception if an error occurs while sending a packet. Client side of a connectionless client server computing with datagrams. Client side of a connectionless client server computing with datagram for entering messages, for displaying messages, socket to connection, connect to server, datagram socket name. Client side of a connection client server computing with datagram. These are all the packages or the namespaces for this program which we have mentioned in public class client extend JFrame. Setting a graphical user interface and datagram socket as a public client and a super client. Enter field is equal to new J text field. Typing a message there and entering the field dot action listener and new action listener and public void action performed and action event comma event and try and catch block is used, which is used to send the packets, and a string message event dot get action command, and which is used for sending packet containing byte is equal to message get byte convert to bytes. Creating the send packet datagram packet send packet is equal to new datagram packet data dot length inet address dot get localhost socket sending the packet display area appending the message and closing the try block catch block, and the catch block is there and displaying the message, ending the catch blocks inner class and ending the call to add action listener. Border layout display area is equal to new text area, add new J